This is the Jones & Shipman 540p. Coming a bit closer. You can see the automatic crossfeed working and displaying on the digital readout here. John will now do the power rise and fall of the wheel. Wheel coming down, and now wheel going up. Okay. The machine is very quiet.